Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay. So we are learning the new profit sharing ratio, calculating the or finding out the new profit sharing ratio. In this one, we have already learned if they have given only the old share and new share. How we need to calculate we have to calculate the gaining ratio only, isn't it? If they have given the new profit sharing ratio and old profit sharing ratio, then they may not give the second one if they have not given the new profit sharing ratio. Then they must at least give the gaining ratio. Okay, here the any one of the partner will gain the retiring partner's share. How we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? We need to add the gain the partner one who receives. The other partner will get the same share. The partner one who gains the retiring partner share, we need to add his new that retiring partner share. We will get the new share. Now, here if more than one partner gains the retiring partner's share, there they may give sometimes the proportion of share gained. The proportion will be given 3:2 of the new partner share. Okay, the proportion of share gained on new part on that retiring partner's share. Retiring partner's share. Then what we need to do? In the admission also we have multiplied that proportion into the new partner's share. Here we need the same way we need to multiply the proportion with the retiring partner's share. Okay. Then how to calculate the new share then? Old share plus share gain. Okay, that share gained only we need to calculate the proportion into retiring partner's share. Okay, first gaining share, then we will calculate the new share. Okay, so let us see the illustration 9. Rahul, Ravi and Rohit are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Rohit retires and the share is taken by Rahul and Ravi in the ratio of 3:2. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. The same method what we do, we have to do this one. Okay, how we do? The all the partners name we will write Rahul, Ravi, Rohit. Then old ratio 5:3:2. Old share 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. Then gaining share gained. Okay, share gained, the formula is given. Retiring partner share into proportion of share gained. Here for the first one, that is Rahul, his share, retiring partner share, who is retiring? Rohit, isn't it? So 2/10 into his proportion 3/5, 6/50. Then the next partner Ravi, his retiring partner share 2/10 into the proportion of share gain 2/5. So we have got 6/50, 4/50. So 6:4 is equal to 3. We can simplify 3:2. Then we need to calculate the new share. Old share plus share gained. Rahul's old share 5/10 plus his gain 6/50. We need to add LCM 50 that to calculate. Okay, then new profit sharing ratio 31:19. So shall we do the 9th exercise? Ninth exercise. Ramu, Somu, Gopu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:5:7. I will read once again. Ramu, Somu, Gopu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:5:7. Gopu retires and the share is purchased by Ramu and Somu in the ratio of 3:1. Find the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay. So the number 9, 3 partners. Isn't it? 3, that amount column you have to use. Ramu, Somu, Gopu. Okay. Then old ratio. Old ratio 3:5:7. So old share. Old share 3/15, 5/15, 7/15. Now proportion. So share gained. We need to calculate. Okay, what is the formula? Retiring partner share into proportion. Okay, who is retiring? Gopu retires. So Ramu's, how we need to calculate what is the retiring partner share? Retiring partner share is 7/15. The proportion is given 3:1. 3/4. Okay, here the same thing. So 7/15 into here 1/4. So 7 3s are 21, 15 4s are 60, 7 60. So 21:7. So we can simplify, isn't it? 7 3s are 21. So equal to 3:1. This is the gaining ratio. Share gained only, gaining share. Okay. Next, new share. New share, what is the formula? Old share plus share gained. Gaining share. First, if you write, you have to write gaining share, old share, gaining share, or old share, then share gained. Okay. Now, for this partner, what is his old share? 3/15 plus share gained 21/60. Then second partner, what is his old share? 5/15 plus his gain 7/60. Okay, so LCM 60. We need to calculate. Okay, 3/15 into 60. How many 15? 4. So 4 3s are 12 plus next fraction 21/60 into 60. Cancelled. So 21 is 2. Here also LCM 60. 5/15 into 60. How many 15 in 60? 4. 5 4s are 20 plus same 60 will get cut 7. So 3, 3. Thirty-three by 60 is to 27 by 60. Here, can we simplify this one? 3 table, isn't it? Here 11 is to 9. So this one calculation. Okay, this is the new ratio, new profit sharing ratio. You have to write equal to 11 is to 9. Okay, now we will see the next illustration. Tenth illustration. Okay. Kumar, Kesavan and Manohar are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. Manohar retires and his share is taken up by Kumar and Kesavan equally. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. The same thing. Okay, but here ratio not given, but share is given. We can convert this into a ratio also. Okay, so 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. We need to bring this all the denominator as 6. So here we need to multiply 1/2 into 3/3. Okay, here 1/3 into 2/2. We will get here 6, here 3. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, that will be the ratio. Or here in the same method they have done. Okay, not changing. We will get the answer also. The same thing, equally they are, the proportion is equal. So 1/2 into retiring partner share. Retiring partner share 1/6 into half 1/12. 1/6 into half 1/12. That is the gaining ratio 1:1. The new ratio, old share plus share gain. Old share, the first partner 1/2 plus here 1/12 he has gained. Okay, LCM 12 we have taken. Here K7 1/3 plus his gain 1/12. Okay, we will get the new profit sharing ratio. Shall we see the 10th exercise? 10th exercise we will do. Tenth exercise I will read out. Naveen, Ravi and Kumar are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1:2. 1/2, 1:4 and 1/4 respectively. Kumar retires and his share is taken up by Naveen and Ravi equally. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. The same way also we can keep, or we can convert this into ratio also. That all denominators must be same. Here both are 4. We need to make this one as 4. So what we will get? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator as the same number. If we multiply the denominator 2 into 2 only, we will get 4. So we need to multiply the numerator 1 also by 2. So 2:1:1 will be the old ratio. Or in the same share also we can do the problem. First write the number, then column, 3 column, isn't it? Naveen, Ravi, then Kumar. Old share only given, ratio not given. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay, old share. Then share gained. How to calculate? Share gained is equal to retiring partner's share into proportion. Proportion equal, isn't it? What is the retiring partner share? Who is going to retire? Kumar. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. Here Ravi, 1 by 4 retiring partner share, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 8 is to 1 by 8. So gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay. Now we need to calculate the new share. New share is equal to old share plus share gained. Okay, here for the Naveen partner, first partner, what is old share? 1 by 2. Then what is his share gained? 1 by 8. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Here 8 will be the LCM. Okay, now we need to calculate 1 by 2 into 8. 4 plus 1 by 8 into 8, 8 will be cancelled 1. Then here also 8. We will get 4, isn't it? So 4. No. 1 by 4, isn't it? 1 by 4 into 8. Here 2. So here 2 plus 1. So 5 by 8 is to 3 by 8. So what is the ratio? 5 is to 3. This is the new ratio. For that answer you can write new profit sharing ratio. Therefore, okay, new profit sharing ratio. What is the question they have asked? Calculate the new profit sharing ratio is equal to 5 is to 3 and gaining ratio number 1. Okay, then number 2, this is the answer you can write. Okay, just to make the answer neat. Okay, to give the answer you can write like this. Then gaining ratio is equal to, what is the gaining ratio? 1 is to 1. Okay, then you draw the line and complete it. Down some part will be there. If you take one page, it will be looking good. So it is better you use one page fully. Okay, don't start the next problem from here. Then you turn to do the next problem. Okay, so that looks very neat. Now next pattern, here they have given the proportion of share that gained, isn't it? Some places new ratio also will not be given, share gained also will not be given. Then proportion of share gain, nothing. Share gain is not given totally. And new profit sharing ratio is also not given. How to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? One partner will retire. Okay. Then first one, that proportion given here, proportion of share is not given. Proportion of share gained is not given. That means share gained is not at all given. Okay, there new profit sharing ratio is also not given. New ratio also not given. Then how to calculate the new ratio? If they share 3 is to 2 is to 1, the old ratio, the 1 is retiring. What will be the new ratio? 3 is to 2. Okay, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. What is the old ratio? 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Just we have to leave the retiring partner. They will share in the old share only. Okay, they will that assume that the old share will be the new share. That means 3 is to 2. Okay, it's very easy. We will see the next exercise. See, Mani, Gani and Soni are partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6. Mani retires from the firm. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay, the gaining ratio also the older ratio. Very easy, only one line. Okay, 1 mark also they can ask or 2 marks also they can ask. Okay, but if you know very well the answer, the old ratio only. Okay. So number 11, you have to write. Since we need to write, okay, since new profit sharing ratio, or since share gained is not given, the old ratio will be the new ratio and gaining ratio. Okay, now we can write new ratio of new ratio is equal to, what is their old share? 4 is to 5 is to 6, isn't it? Money is retiring, so 5 is to 6. New ratio is 5 is to 6. Then gaining ratio equal to 5 is to 6. That is the answer. Okay, like 2 mark. If you have to write like this. Okay, the new ratio of whom? Mani retires, Gani and Soni. You write like that. Okay, is equal to. Understood? So we have completed up to 11 problems. Okay, again we have up to 16, then some comprehensive problems. Then 3 more adjustments are there. We will see tomorrow the next one. Okay students, thank you very much.